Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 7. Annyeonghi Gaseyo, which means goodbye in Korean. Annyeonghi Gaseyo is considered to compose of two words, which is Annyeonghi and Gaseyo. Annyeonghi means to be well, and Gaseyo means to please go. So when we combine this, it's the same as saying goodbye, please go well. So you can say this to say goodbye to a person leaving the place when you are staying. Now let's study how to write Annyeonghi Gaseyo in Hangul. Let's start with the first word, which is Annyeonghi. This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is an, and this is formed from the combination of the a and nian sound. Take note of the no sound ian at the beginning of it. The second syllable nyong is formed from the combination of the nian, yo, and ian character. The last syllable he is formed from the hia and e character. The second word, gaseyo, is also composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable, ga, is formed from the combination of the giek and a characters. The second syllable, se, is formed from the combination of the siat and e characters. And the last syllable, yo, is the combination of a no sound iyang or a placeholder iyang and the yo character itself. And with that, you just learned Annyeonghi Gaseyo. Now let's proceed to the word recap. Word number 1 is 안녕하세요. This is informal but considered polite way of saying hello. Word number 2 is 안녕하십니까. This is a formal way of saying hello. Word number 3 is 감사합니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you. Word number 4 is 죄송합니다. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 5 is 저기요. This is used to say excuse me to call the attention of someone. Word number 6 is 잠시만요, which means just a second. And word number 7 is actually a phrase, 안녕히 가세요, which means goodbye. And this is used when you are staying and the other people are leaving. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about 안녕히 계세요. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 8. 안녕히 계세요, which means goodbye in Korean. The word 안녕히 계세요 is considered to compose of 2 words. The first word is 안녕히, which means to be well or to be in peace, while 계세요 means please stay. So when these 2 are combined, it could result in a phrase which means goodbye, please stay well, or please stay in peace. And this is used to say goodbye when you are leaving the place first and the others are staying. How do we write 안녕히 계세요 in Hangul? Let's start with the first word, 안녕히. This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is written by drawing first a no sound iyang, an a character, and a nian character. The second syllable nyong is formed from the combination of the nian, yo, and iyang character, while the third syllable he is formed from the combination of the hia and e characters. For the second word, gaseyo, this is also composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is ge, This is formed by drawing first a gye character and a ye character. The second syllable se is formed from the combination of the siyut and e character, while the last syllable yo is written by drawing first a no sound ing and the yo character itself. If we will compare 안녕히 계세요 to 안녕히 가세요, which we discussed before, they both mean goodbye, but 안녕히 가세요 is used when you are staying and the others are leaving first, while 안녕히 계세요 is used when you are leaving first and the others are staying on the place. So please remember the right situation wherein you could use these phrases. And with that, you've just learned 안녕히 계세요. Now let's proceed to our word recap. Word number 1 is 안녕하세요, which means hello. This is in informal or casual manner. Word number 2 is 안녕하십니까. This is the formal way of saying hello. Word number 3 is 감사합니다. This is the formal way of saying thank you. Word number 4 is 죄송합니다. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 5 is 저기요, which means excuse me, and this is used to call the attention of someone. Word number 6 is 잠시만요, which means just a second, and this is used to ask for the person to wait for you for a while. Word number 7 is 안녕히 가세요, which means goodbye. This is used when you are staying and the others are leaving. And our word for today, word number 8, 안녕히 계세요, which means goodbye, but this is used when you are leaving first and the others are staying. Congrats! Up next on Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about 고마워. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Korean words.